Hi friends, welcome to Agnicart. Today in this tutorial I'll show you how to configure discounts at a store level. Discounts can be flat 500 rupees off in Indian currency, or flat 10% off, 20% off, and something like that. And you can generate discount codes and give it to your users or promote it in your circle or marketing channels. All right, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is go to the admin console. You can log in to www.agnicart.com, and you can go to manage your store, and you'll see the admin console. On the left navigation, you click on discounts. Here say add discount, and let's say I want to add 500 rupees off, in Indian currency. So I'll just say the discount code as 500 off. This can be anything. This discount code can be anything. You can name anything that you want. Products is, if you want to restrict it to specific products, you can select here. And same thing with the users is, if you want to restrict the discount code to certain users, you can use it here. Discount type is percentage or amount. So in this case it's an amount, so I'll just, and discount value is 500. And minimum cart value is the minimum value upon which, let's say if you want to specify the minimum cart value as 1000, discount is applied only if a user purchases a product uh, whose value is greater than 1000, right? A minimum cart value, when it's not a product but it's total cart value. If the cart has like 10 products, the sum of all those amounts should be greater than 1000. So in this case I'll just, for the sake of simplicity, I'll just say 0. And maximum discount value, I'll say 500 here. Maximum uses, I'll just say 3. So maximum uses is the number of times this discount code can be used overall, by all users. Whereas maximum uses per user is how many times this discount code can be used by individual user. So this typically is 1, so that a user uses it only one time. And then maximum uses per product is a product level specification, saying how many times on overall this product, this discount code can be used on that particular product or for a particular product. Okay, so this I think this is a good configuration for us for a 500 off discount. So let me just check the active box and click save. Alright, so the discount code 500 off is created here. Now let me go to the store, let me pick a product, and let me add to cart. Here is the cart. So now here I will enter the discount code and say apply. You can see that the discount of 500 is applied, and total payable changed from 2000 24,400, sorry, change it from 25,000 to 24,400. All right, so that's pretty, that's how you calculate or configure discounts on your store, for a flat amount. Now let me go back, and let's go back and quickly add discount for a percentage to see how that fares. So let's say 20% off or 20%, and in this case discount type is percentage, discount value is in this case let's say 600. Sorry, it's percentage, right? So we have to say 20. I'm really sorry about that. And minimum cart value is 0, and maximum cart value in this case let me limit to 600. Okay, so even if the discount percentage whatever is calculated is greater than 600, the maximum discount value that is applied is only 600. Okay, and maximum uses is 3, and maximum uses is basically the total number of discount total number of times this the code can be used overall, right? And maximum users per user, this I'll specify as 1, and maximum users per product is 3. So let's keep it like that. Let me click on active and I'll say, so now so this is active. So let me go back here and I will say 20 PCT and apply. So as you can see, the 20% of 25,000 is actually more than 600, but because we have configured the maximum discount value to be at 600, only a discount of 600 is applied, and user get to save 600. So that's pretty much it. As you see, it's very simple and easy to configure discounts at store level using Agnicart platform. I hope this is helpful to you guys. Thank you.